He's like, what? What did you do?
Why? I thought you loved
Oh,
me.
that was a dirty look.
We were best friends.
No.
He's really actually good. My girl would have been howling like a grizzly bear.
He actually just looked up at you like, I am gonna fuck you up when we get home.
He is. He so is. You're done. You're toast.
There won't be no
We're
witnesses.
gonna see you tomorrow, all clawed up the top of your head.
No. No.
He's like, just wait till we get home. There won't be no people here.
Yeah.
No.
It's like, really? Can you have a Tic Tac before you do that? Smell your lunch. He is so good.
These stripes.
Yeah, you can see.
Yep.
Oh
He sure
yeah,
does
you
for
do
that.
see his stripes better.
When the hair grows, I mean... Tom. No.
Tommy's like, but she's getting too close to my comfort zone.
This is my girl. She has this too. She has hairy toes.
No.
Now we'll know how sexy you really are.
Wow, look at that belly.
Tom.
He is such a sweet boy.
All right, let's see your junk in your trunk.
Is he fixed?
No.
He's got
He's
a little
fixed?
hard on while he's getting shaved.
He's fixed now?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he's fixed.
He could still have a hard on. Like that one picture we saw that
Oh,
Hook
the
weenie.
rabbit, too.
Oh, was it a rabbit
Yeah,
too?
that was gross.
That was funny.
Tom. No.
Trust me, you don't want to kick when I'm in that area.
Yeah, right?
No.
Now while she's shaving your ass.
He is so mad.
Look at his eyes.
He's beautiful.
Moving back and forth.
Yeah, he's got that.
eye. Look at the pupils.
Oh yeah, his pupils are big.
You're dilated, huh? He's like,
What's the matter, baby? You're okay.
He's like, what
You're
you
okay.
people looking at?
No. Tom.
it's like, Daddy, I really don't like this. This is not a party.
Daddy, I'm being exposed.
He's a beauty. He's like, you better make this up to me, sucker.
He's got poop in his butt.
That's my Shih Tzu.